Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, last week all the packages came in, but I was on vacation, so this is the first chance that I am having to show you the summer brag book swap. Our first entry comes from Danya723, and Dana, thank you so much. I appreciate you playing along. And here are her packages. She did make one for me, so we're going to get to open that. And guys, I'm sorry, I forgot what your emails said about the packages. But, so she has included a package for me. So there's one for Sissy Pants. And then there's one for Julia Scaberas. And I can just look at these beautiful colors already. Look at this, all that green. Look at, so her packages are so pretty and colorful. So we're gonna go ahead and open this one. And I will set these two aside for these beautiful ladies. And we will get into this one and see what she has sent. This is such a pretty card. I love that. Dana, you'll have to tell me if this is a paper line. You'll have to tell me where you got that. That is so pretty. I love it. So Dana goes on to say, she said she's sending me her very first swap in this style. And I hope I like it. I can tell I do already. And she's included some other goodies that she's made. Enjoy your summer, Dana. You're so sweet. This is so pretty, Dana. You'll have to really tell me where you got that. That's beautiful. I love that image. It says, "Happy girls shine brighter." And this is so true. Oh my gosh, it sure is. So this is her brag book. So we'll set this aside for a second. That's so pretty. And then she has included some bows. I think these are the punch board bows, the envelope punch board. And it's all these pretty colors. They're very vibrant, festive. These are very pretty. Thank you, Dana. They are very pretty. She's included 4 of them. She's made a couple of cards. And they are, thank you. This one says, "Hello there. Seeds for your garden." Those are very pretty. She's included the envelopes for them. And this one is a thank you card. Very pretty. Thank you, Dana. I just love cards because then I don't have to make them myself. Sorry, but that's just the way it is. I just love cards because I do not have to make them myself. So yes, thank you, Dana, for the cards. I appreciate that. And then she has made, it looks like a little note card holder. So we're going to open this up. And she's got this beautiful purple flower on the front, this image. And it is fussy cut. It is so pretty. And it is purple. Beautiful polka dot on the back. And when we open it up, she has got... Oh, I think it goes this way. So when we open it up, it's got the note cards in there. It's got a cute little purple pin to match the note card holder. And there we go. She's got a little pocket here, and it holds the note cards, notepads. And there we go. Oh, so pretty. Thank you. I use these all the time. I really do. I'll show you. I use them all the time. I have one on my table at any given moment. I can just reach up there and grab one. So there is the note card holder. Super cute. I love it. Thank you, Dana. And then this is her summer brag book. This is so adorable. Summer is for bike rides. Oh my gosh, if my niece would allow it, it would be for me. So she's got some red trim in the background right here. She's got this beautiful image on the front. She's got some flat back pearls. She's matted it a couple of times, and she's got this cute little butterfly right there. She did mat the side, and this is the back. That is the same pattern paper from the front. It's got little swimsuits and sunglasses and hats and flamingos. Very, very summerish, very pretty. And look at this ribbon, guys. That is so pretty. I like that ribbon. Very pretty. So when we open it up, here's her little belly band. Oh, how cute. She's got a couple of mats here. And that was one of the requirements. And these are the mats. Put the pictures on the back. Very pretty. Love the way it matches her book. And then this is her first page. And she's got a little tuck spot there. She's got all the popsicles right there. She's got her little mat. Daydream and ice cream. There's a little tuck spot. And then here is another one, another page, the next page. She's got her little tuck spot and another little card there. And flipping it over, she's got, oh, she made this into a pocket. Oh, really, really cool. She's got a pocket right there. It says Summer Lovin'. And she's got a mat with the same trim on the top. Very pretty. That tucks just right in there. And then her last page has a pocket and two of the mats. Look at all those lemons. And there's one that says fun. She's got this cute little sticker right here with some flat backs. Very pretty. And the mats just fit right in there. And there you go. That is her brag book, her summer brag book. Very pretty. Dana, I appreciate you playing along and including me. It is very pretty. I'm sure everyone's going to enjoy their brag book. And then she did say that she had made everyone's just a little different, which is fine. And so you can see here, this pattern is a little bit different, which is fine. And then she has made this one, which is a little different as well. She used the same paper for this one, actually. She just used the cover is white. It looks like she used the same paper. Very, very pretty. All right. Thank you so much, Dana. I appreciate you playing along, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks a lot, guys.